going to use this opportunity to install the turn signals. I'll kind of walk through it in the video. Alright, so some green tape to protect the finish while I'm doing this. It looks roughly in line with the mouth. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to mark that up. For height, this is where I originally thought I wanted it. This is as far forward as I would want it to be. This is roughly in line with the control arm. That's about a palm length back from the mouth. And I wouldn't want it to be any further forward than that. And I'm going to go halfway between these two marks. This is the height I want, and that jacked up to 25 and an 8. Marked out, that's about 1 and 15/16 from either side. How am I going to make sure that this is correct on the other side? Because this is a relative measure from here, and this is a relative measure from the distance of my thumb, so that's not exactly precise. I know the height that I need to be, so I can create a line on the other side just like this, and then I can use the square here to put my mark in the correct place on the other side. Over here, line is at 25 and an 8, and the correct distance back from the mouth. As we look, that's correct. I drilled out the holes, 5/16 fit. I think they turn out okay. I'm gonna have to dismount the nose to get in there and final mount them. I think that's gonna be pretty good. Hit a small snag. The leads for the turn signals need to be extended. I'm gonna do about 4 inches. Epoxy some cable tie mounts on the insides here.